This is part 2 of going over quiz 11.4, 11.6, 11.7, 11.8 geometry quiz. Here we are. We're on number 4. We want to find the area of the base of this hexagonal prism and then find the volume. Now, it's a hexagonal prism. If you want to say it, it's kind of laying on its side. There's a hexagon base in the front. There's a hexagon base in the back. So that's why we call it a hexagonal prism. First of all, I want to find the area of the base. Every side length of the base is 14. Now, I'm not going to use this front. There's already lines drawn through it. So what I did was I drew this down here. There it is. We got a base, and here we go. Let's go ahead and do it. Area of this base. What are we going to use for a regular polygon? Yeah, here we go. You know you like that formula here. From the formula sheet, 1/2 apothem times perimeter. Can we find something? Yeah, the perimeter. The perimeter, there are 6 sides. Each one is 14. There we go. 6 times 14 is 84. We got that. We need the apothem. Let's draw it in. From the center of the shape to the center of the side. That's the apothem. What does it do? It splits the side in half. Well, how do I get this? How do I get the apothem? First thing I'm going to have to draw is those central angles. There we go. Nice. Now, hey, we got 360 degrees. We're breaking it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Yeah, each one is 60. On a regular hexagon, the central angle is 60 degrees. Okay, looking good. Hey, look at ours right here. Look at ours. It gets split. That apothem cuts that 60 in half. I got 30 and 30. I got 30, 90. I got 60 here. Yeah. I'm going to look at this one for right now. That's the triangle I'm going to look at right now. Okay, now, hey, I can do trig. I can put my eye right here. I could do tangent of 30. You could set it up. Okay, here we go. You could, if you wanted to. Tangent of 30 equals opposite 7 over the adjacent. A is the apothem. That's one way to do it. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to use my 30, 60, 90 triangle. The short leg is 7. Take the short leg, multiply by root 3. Here we go. 7 times root 3. That's our apothem on that one. Nice. I like hexagons because that happens on a hexagon, only on a regular hexagon. 7 root 3. Here it is, 12, 12. Okay. 12, 12. Looking good. Let's plug it in. We got 1/2 the apothem. The apothem is 12, 12. The perimeter is 84. There you go. Multiplying that in your calculator. 509.04. Now, we need that number, first of all, to plug into the area of the base. Let's go do that right now. 509.04. 509.04. How about units on this? Its area. Yep, this one better be feet squared. Now, volume. Hey, volume of a prism. Area of the base times the height of the prism. Area of the base, we just figured that out. That's 509.04. Now, the height of the prism. There it is right there, 35. Nice. Here it is, volume. Volume on this one, big number, 17,816 and a little extra. 17,816. Now, it's volume. What do you think for units? Yeah, feet cubed, because it's volume. Wow, let's get going to number 5. Okay, here it is. Hey, it's a pyramid. It's a pyramid. Get your formula for volume. That's all we want to find on this one. Volume of a pyramid. From your formula sheet, volume of a pyramid is 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. Okay, hey, we got 1/3. How about base area? Oh, it's just 7 times 7. That's 49. That's the base area. It's just a square. How about the height? Right down the middle is the one we're looking for. Yeah, that's what they give me right there. Okay, wow, that's just multiplying right across. Here we go. 1/3, 49 times 8. Okay, here we go. Parentheses, 1/3, good. Times 49 times 8, there it is. 1/3 base area times height. Notice, I always put parentheses around that 1/3. There we go, 130.66, we can use that. 130.66, let's put it up here. 130.66 units. Yeah, this one's going to be inches cubed because it's volume. Okay, how about this one? Well, it's a cone. They give us the volume on this one. They give us the volume and they give us the height right down the middle. We got to find the radius. Well, how can we do that? By using the volume formula. Here it is, volume of a cone. The formula from your formula sheet, 1/3. Base area times the height right down the middle. Let's start plugging everything in. Do we know the volume of the cone? Yeah, it is. It's 813.13 equals 1/3. Do we know the base area? No, we don't. But we know the formula for the base area. It's a circle on a cone, so it's pi r squared. Do we know the height right down the middle? Yeah, it's 10. There it is. It's algebra now. What are you going to do? What are you going to do to solve this? Yeah, I think I'm going to multiply by 3. Okay, there it is. Multiply by 3 on both sides. Okay, see what I get here. I'm going to get 2439.39. And what do I have left? I got pi r squared 10. Okay, what are you going to do next? I'll tell you what. I'm going to multiply 10 times pi. That's what I'm going to do on the right side. 10 times pi. Here we go. Pi times 10. Nice, huh? 3141. There we go. 3141. 3141 r squared. I didn't do anything here. How about my next step? Yeah, going to divide 3141 here. Divide here. 3141. Okay. There it is. I got r squared equals, let's see what we got here. 2439, okay, divided by 3141. Okay. Okay, here we go. 2439.39 divided by 3141. Okay, nice, huh? 7766. Okay, let's go with that. 7766 equals r squared. Yeah, got to take the square root. Okay, here we go. Let's take the square root of that number, see what we got. The root of 7766. There it is, 881. Okay, that's going to be our answer for the radius. 881. Let's write it down. Now, it's just the radius. So 881 what? Yeah, it's just a distance. It's just feet. Okay, good. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, last problem. Yeah, last problem. Okay, here it is. Let's kind of make it a little small. There we go, good. We've got a hemisphere sitting atop a cone. Notice the angle. They tell us the angle down here is 18 degrees. The height of the cone right through the middle is 30. Find the volume of the hemisphere, volume of the cone. For both of those, what are we going to need first? Before we do anything, what do we have to find? We got to find the radius. Okay, here we go. We got to find the radius right there. Hey, you got a right triangle. Put your eye on the 18. Which trig function are you going to use? Think about it. There's your right triangle. Yeah, it's tangent. Hey, tangent of where your eye is. So tangent of 18 degrees equals opposite. Opposite is the r. Adjacent is the 30. Okay, let's go do it in our calc. Tangent of 18. Check our calc first. Okay, we got degrees. Now we got degrees. Got to be in degrees. Okay, tangent of 18. Tangent of 18. Nice. 0.3249. 0.3249 equals r over 30. What are you going to do to get the r by itself? Yeah, you multiply on this one. Multiply by 30 here. Multiply by 30 here. Okay, here's our radius now. Take that number, multiply it by 30. Take that number, multiply it by 30. There we go. Nice. 975. 975. Okay, good. 975. That's our radius. Now let's figure out the volume. First of all, volume of a hemisphere. Well, how much of a whole sphere? It's 1/2. 1/2 of the whole sphere. The whole sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. We're multiplying it by 1/2 because you only got 1/2 a sphere. Okay, here we go. 1/2, then 4/3 pi. The radius, 9.75 cubed. Only the radius is cubed. I'm going to do it in 2 steps. Okay, here we go. First, 4/3 pi, 975 cubed. Parenthesis, 4 divided by 3. Good. Whoa, 4 divided by 3. There you go. Times a pi, times a 975, okay, raised to the third. There it is. That's going to be the volume of one whole sphere. Okay, boom. That's 388.82. Okay, 41. There we go. 388.241. Now we're multiplying it by 1/2. Okay, because a hemisphere is only half the volume of a whole sphere. So take that number, multiply it by 1/2. There it is. 1941 and a little extra. 1941 and a little extra. Let's put it in. 1941 and a little extra units. Well, the height was in feet, so our volume going to be feet cubed. Okay, now the cone. Let's do it in blue. Volume of a cone. Hey, it's 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. Here we go. 1/3. What's the base area? It's a circle. That's the base of a cone. So it's pi r squared. So it's pi 975 squared. The height right down the middle, 30. I'm going to do that right in the row in my calculator. 1/3 base area times height. Here we go. Okay, we got 1 divided by 3 in parentheses times pi times 975 squared, okay, times the height right down the middle. There it is, 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. That's going to be the volume of the cone. Wow, 2986 and a little extra. 2986 and a little extra. Let's put it in. 2986 and a little extra. Again, it's volume. Yeah, we're talking feet cubed. Okay. That's the quiz. That's going over. Quiz 11.4 through 11.8. Use that. Correct your own. Use that to study for the Chapter 11 test. Okay, adios.